folks, this is week 5 of the fiber gift, so let's see what we have in the box. I'm kind of excited about this because I personally got to work on this one and I had never done it before. So inside our box, we have the band weaving kit. So it doesn't look like much here, but I have actually done one and I'd like to show you a little bit about it. Everything's in it, so you really don't need anything but what's in the kit. It's 15% off. This will go on sale tomorrow, not today, tomorrow. Okay, so Friday. So this one is going to be what I'm going to show you. All right, so I have it right here. And so it is a band weaving kit. It comes with fully warped into the heddle, okay? This part right here will be tied on to either a pole or a tree if you're outside or anywhere. This part I've actually been weaving here. It comes with the actual shuttle that you can pass it back and forth. It's a Scandinavian shuttle. It looks a little different than what a lot of people are used to. And in this side right here, this is the part that I've woven. It makes a very small band, which you can use on the guitars, or you could use on dog leashes. You can make belts out of it, anything. What I really truly like about this the most is that once this is completely done, you still have the tools to make more, so you can buy more yarn. So I appreciate it, so come look and try to buy one of the band weaving kits. Thanks.